So guys, as you can see, yeah, so we have some construction things going on right now.
C'est le cake.
Okay, finally we're here. I know you missed the cooking videos, guys, and today I bring you them back on the channel. So you've been asking me, Lens, do more cooking videos, and today we're here in the yard of cooking, and we're here cooking some one of the most delicious Asian food. So you probably never tasted, so you gotta try it, guys. So I'm telling you, so I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the most delicious. Alright guys, so today an amazing vibe. So I'm telling you, this episode you're gonna love it. So today we're gonna be having some food, and we have some workers like working on the stairs that will build, so go upstairs, you know, and the room upstairs. So we're building a stairs right here. Woo, that can take you upstairs right here. All right, so today we're gonna be cooking in the yard. Strong man. Oh, yeah, right here. So that's what we're gonna be cooking today, guys. So we're having some good food, you know, some real Haitian food. We're gonna be having like some brown rice with some ragu. Yo, guys, I don't know if you've ever tasted ragu already, but if you haven't, so keep watching this video till the end, so you're gonna see what it is exactly. So that's something like, whoa! So you gotta taste it, guys. All right, so let's go. All right, guys. So what we have here? Okay, so we have the beans. Oh, boiling right here. All right, so today gonna be an epic one. So this food gonna be amazing, I'm telling you guys. So you don't wanna miss this episode, I'm telling you. I'm not gonna lie. So we have some coconut. Got a little princess cooking with us today. The yellow. She's so sweet, so amazing. She's helping us today. So I feel like a king today. So I have a little princess with us. Alright, so we got some coconut that we're going to grind.
Eh, faut qu'on baille princesse au côté pour le mettre ça ou l'elle laver. Ok.
Oui.
C'est allons coco et gros nègre. Ah, il est sorti là.
Moi, le moto, ça fait pas de sortir.
Il est sorti là.
Come on. Okay, so let's prepare our seasoning, guys. Love the spicy. The spice is right here. Okay, I got this quantity of spicy and put it in the vinegar right here. Swap this seasoning. I'm gonna add in. Alright, that's for the meat. So we have some goat meat. We're gonna prepare right now. Alright. Right now let's add some hot pepper. Okay. Okay, I got this one. So you know I love spicy food, guys. Coming up. Alright. Let's add it in. Alright, so right now we're gonna like throw it onto the meat, guys, like this. Alright, so that's the head. That's the head of the. That's it. Let me add some water in this. Not much. All right. Okay, so right now we're gonna put it on fire, guys. Like this. Tomatoes, the bell pepper. Let's wash them first. Fini vocês? Oh, travaille vite, oui.
Rob Johan, est-ce que ça vous le fait? Je te donne comment ça fait.
So, I wish you could be here, guys. So swap this smell. So. Oh, God.
What happened?
The smells like so. Woo. I can give you an idea of the taste too. Kabut. Let me add some carrots right now.
C'est comme si moi piment trop.
Voilà.
Ma bois jus cocoya.
Pas boire jus cocoya?
Oui. Aku met de salade.
Oui.
Le petit bleu là-dedans.
Fais la table, allez.
Ça c'est différent. C'est bon.
Oh, bon, il va manger.
Eu buat magia. Alright guys. What? Lagu pali lah. How many pali lah? She said that she's speaking English right now. Okay. Alright, so let's check what we have here. Hey guys, I can tell you the smell is just already like something else. Woo! Oh. Oh.
Wow.
Alright. Good, right? Check on the beans. Let me check on it. It's ready. Yeah, it's ready now. It's ready now. See? Alright. So, buah pari.
Naligaw kami din.
Bila algo baga.
Let me have a taste right now.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do today?
Guys. Oh. Let me get another one.
Wapin buati.
Wow. Wow. So delicious. Ah, Lord. Ah, Lord.
Sa labong.
You have some. Oh, it is. Is it good?
I don't even get any word.
to describe it.
Yes.
Ah! Woo! Got some onion over here.
Ragu.
Quoi?
Hein?
Quoi?
Ma regarde, oui.
Oui, qu'est-ce que tu dis?
On dit. C'est goût. Pour si travail.
What we have here, we have the rice here, which is local rice, so there's some only stuff that you have to remove from it, you know, good local. So today we have a lot of help from the beautiful princess right here. Wow, I like that. Qu'est-ce que tu faire ça?
Hein?
Qu'est-ce que tu montres pour faire?
Ouais, ok, moun.
Hum?
Ok, moun.
Ah, pourquoi qu'on
Et
fait?
un petit bébé, on va monter pour faire.
Votre petit bébé, maman, montre pour faire?
Oui. Chaque fois, maman a étoilé. Et toujours bas côté lui.
C'est vrai?
Oui, il y a un trim. Et puis depuis les samans grand, on can faire.
Bogan.
Ah, oui, grand.
Ah, au grand là?
Oui. Je vois bien, je vois ta bien. Abi puis grand passé. Non, puis grand passé abi. Oh, la mer frappée.
It's hot, guys.
Sa va faire ça?
Salad. We're gonna have some salad too, guys.
Pomme de terre. Créateur, le sang de l'or.
Okay.
So we have the beans ready right now, so we're gonna prepare the rice right now. So we're gonna have some brown rice, so, you know, grilled Haitian food. Woo! Let's go. Right now we're gonna prepare the rice. So we have the beans ready already. So let's start by put the pot on fire right now. Okay, let's let it hot first, and after we're gonna add some oil. Wait a second. Alright. 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 Let's go. Let's do it.
Did you wear test?
Why? Let's add some oil right now. Okay. That should be. Okay, that's enough right now. No, contest, objective. Okay, let's go. So we need the coconut milk. So let's have it there. Okay. Okay, that's the coconut milk. We need it. Let's add some spices. You know, some Asian epis. Oh, that's too big. Let's use this one. You know, I like putting a lot of spices on my food, so, you know, because that's the taste of Haitian, you know. That's what gives my food like the authentic vibe, you know, the real flavor. Alright. So right now we're gonna add the beans, you know. Oh, sorry. Alright. Let's have the beans. Oh. Yeah, it's cooked. Let's add the beans right now.
Pourquoi? Tu regardais la fenêtre?
Alright. Let's do it. So we have some. Not gonna lie, guys, so they should be delicious. Trust me. Right?
It's not a wishes.
Oh, trust me. Trust me, guys. You know, I trust my hand, you know. Trust my finger, you know. I'm telling you. Alright. So right now we're gonna add some 3-3. So this is actually something that we use. It's from the ocean. It's like some crayfish. Small. I'm sorry. It's like some crayfish, and they put them some small, you know, a little. Check this. Yeah. Check this. Those are crayfish, and then they got them from this like small and put them in the sun to get dried, you know, and then sell them like this. That's what it is, and we call it 3-3 in here. I don't know if where you're from you have it. They do use them, but that's what we do with them right here. Okay. Now you have to be careful. So that I told you that it got dried on the sun. You know, they put them outside. You know, you have to be careful in case that there's something that some unwanted stuff into it. See, that's what I'm telling you guys. You have to be careful while doing this, man. This is local, you know. Yeah, made in here. Right. See, also you can have like some stone in it. There's some little stone. See, all those. Okay, so let's go. That's enough for my food. No Maggie John John. No Maggie John John, baby. No John 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 John. So right now I'm gonna add some hot pepper.
Hot pepper.
Let's add some hot pepper. Hot pepper.
Hot pepper.
Hot pepper.
Hot pepper.
Hot pepper.
Hot pepper.
Look at ça. It look good, man.
Check a harvest in Egypt.
The coconut milk. So I wish you could have this smell, guys. Right now, let's add the water that we boiled the beans. Let's do it. It's hot. All right. We good? Just need some more water like this, not much. This way, okay. So we're gonna be cooking like 4 cups of rice. We have local rice, we have 4 cups of local rice right now. We're gonna be cooking, so that's enough. So guys, if you've never tried beans, you gotta try it, man. So from that, you already know what the food gonna taste like. I'm telling you guys. I'm not lying, man. I'm not lying, man. Well, look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
So good, man.
Oh, I'm telling you, I know. No, that's a secret.
Very good.
Check down there. So what is doing right now? Let's go, let's wash the rice right now. Oh, it's... Give me this. But this out. This out. But this out. This is out. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. I'm do it. Kita laver. Lo abui. Lo abui kita laver. Dah, rete mau. Rete mau. Okay.
C'est une toute baguette.
Second wash right now. Let's add it. Aïe!
Ça bon. Après ça, c'est ça doit lever.
Son go fait bon. Okay, let me add some butter. Yeah. To give the food a texture.
Oui, oui.
Oui. That's the fine. Okay, so give it some, like a few minutes, and after food gonna be cooked. I'm telling you so. Stay here. Okay, give it to me, man. So let me see what's going on there. Let me visit the workers. On get up by Moti, let me see. Oh. Let me see what's going on there.
So we.
Lah, kendal lah.
Ngatale, dito slow. It's up to zoom.
Munda.
Okay, check it out.
That's it. L'almo.
Okay, on the bois on ya.
Là.
No.
Là.
Yeah. Okay, mettez béton. Après, la partie que vous n'avez pas fini quoi.
Oui, là, c'est bien. Béton. Allez, non. Comment?
Mettez.
Okay, let's go back to the kitchen right now. What we have here. Hello?
si c'est ça qui fait.
Ouais, non, les oui. Tu fais où?
Ouais, ou même qui met manger là.
Oui.
Faut supposer bon côté manger, vous entendez?
On peut côté manger?
Oui. Pour si la boule pour prendre de la donne.
Ok. So,
Ouais, mais même si
have it
elle
here.
fait manger, chaque jour on déjà manger. Et après, deux types.
Eh, babou. On mange déjà. Pour ma princesse. Ah! Délicieux.
Wow.
On va goûter.
Manger?
Non, mais manger.
Eh non.
Manger. Qui j'en veux?
Oh, les goûts, c'est vraiment piqué. Ils sont vraiment piqués.
Pas bail non plus.
Ils piquent totalement.
Les piquets?
Oui.
Oh. Ben gars mettez trop piment.
Et puis, gars, mettre là. Elle met toi piment, qu'on est petit monde.
Oh, Waleski.
Mets la main, baby.
Pastor.
Mais caméra, tu me fais, non, tu caméra, tu es sous moi.
Viens, viens, ça.
On est là.
Bunda trop.
Toi qui vas.
Voilà.
Écoute, un pied caméra, bien doux.
Regarde pas pour courir.
Tu montes ou à tomber?
Non, il va courir. Il est parti avec nous la grenade.
Si vous devez travailler, non?
Non, on va se poser tomber. On va faire tout ensemble. On va se poser là. Eh, on va se mourir.
Hein?
On va se mourir.
Ça me fait un bel bougnon.
Est-ce que vous n'avez mourir?
Tu l'as mis là.
Hein?
Tu l'as mis là.
Vous n'avez mourir?
Oui.
Oui.
Tu l'as mis.
Hein?
Tu l'as mis.
Est-ce que vous n'avez mourir?
Tu l'as mis à nous. Tu l'as mis.
So guys, as you can see, yeah, so we have some construction things going on right now. So they are building a stairs so that can take you upstairs in the room right there. So you know, so while cooking, so they are working. So let's get the food. Let's see. Oh, it is in the kitchen. Ouais, go filmer, non? Ok, so filmer déjà, alright?
La force ou.
Alright guys, so food is ready now. Okay, got the meat in here. This is it, you know? Not much sauce, you know? Alright, so we got the rice in here coming up. Whew. This is it. No. When I tell you that Caribbean vibe is different, so that's what I mean. You know? That's what I mean. That's it. Tu não sabe mais para lá.
Não vou volver lá.
Quanto? Fala não.
Tá ali. Vou fim com aqui no.
Quanto esse box avio? O mais gâteau princesse.
Pas mettre vous là.
Não vou manger.
Il mange. Le côté de la manger. On va quitter les pour manger. Papa le gagne plus gâteau là-dedans.
Et non tout. Non tout tu manges gâteau.
Quantos que não tivemos que a gente não sujar, sabe? Alright guys, so right now the food is ready. I got the head of the guys. Don't laugh at me, you know. Don't laugh at me, please. Please don't laugh at me. I got the head of the goat. Guys, I can tell you, the food, that's great. Check the vibe. This is real Haitian food. Nope. We'll cover bear on that. That's what we have. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. That mean a lot to me, guys, honestly. So I hope you enjoyed this one. See you on the next one. So let me enjoy the food right now.
Ay, okay, let it be known. I'm working hard when I ain't on the phone. This ain't a home, this ain't a phone. Grind never stopping, I'm keeping it cold. Unlocking the door with the holy key. You supposed to be this close to me, and hopefully you understand G.O.D. Maybe this cold and I'm talking like no degrees. This ain't a fluke, I seen it way before it ever happened. He gave me the view. I had to put in my time on the TV, it coming in soon. I couldn't leave it all up to a variant or an experience. You gotta get up and do what it do. So complicated, homie, it's you. Always gonna wait.
See you next. Let me enjoy my food. Yeah.